What's up with y'all, bro? Back at you with another one. Look at this road. This thing clean right here. Look at that motherfucker. It's flawed. I just love it. Feel me? I just love it. I like how they did the burgundy top with the white shoes. Feel me? We in Sacramento, California. This is Diamonds. I'm gonna give a shout out to it. Ain't none of my shit. It's Diamonds, Auto Sports, whatever. Check them out. Don't come over here unless your pocket's right though, nigga. They is not fucking with you over here, bro. Just being honest. They ain't not fucking with you. Alright, I'm out of here, yo. That's that Rose though.